How to design Instagram carousels that go viral using Fiverr designers. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Fiverr designers can help you in creating eye-catching carousel posts that boost engagement and followers. They can help you in finding the perfect balance for your Instagram and being able to create things that are not only viral, but can also be affiliated with your brand aesthetic or with you. So, this is the easiest way for you to gain more followers, get more clicks, and get more conversions from Instagram. So, if you want to get started and have that viral moment on Instagram, then you definitely need to check out Fiverr designers. And there are several different designers out there. So, if you want viral Instagram carousels that are designed for you, check the Fiverr designer that I recommend in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next.